Kriti Bhatnagar from 12 Minutes to CLAT, and today we are going to be talking about 5 qualities that are required in every CLAT aspirant. Now before we start with the video, we should first understand the concept of the CLAT examination. Obviously, आप लोगों को पता है कि CLAT का एक syllabus है, कैसा एग्जाम आता है, कितने questions आते हैं. But more than that, we need to understand the perspective of the examiner. A lot of times, it might happen that you are giving an examination, but you answer on the basis of what you think is right. So CLAT exam does not want to see what you think, but what should be the perspective of a critical thinker. And with that, we will start with 5 qualities you require as a CLAT aspirant. Quality number 1, which is very important, is going to be your reading speed. Because we still have 8 months left to the examination, there is time that we can improvise our reading speed. A lot of students, when starting the preparation, realize that their reading speed is slow, because of which they are not able to complete the examination within the span of 2 hours. Now they can complete the examination if they are given 4 hours, 5 hours, but 2 hours is tough. And therefore, reading speed helps you. Now, how can you improve reading speed? By making sure that you're reading the newspaper daily, by making sure you're giving sectional tests in a time-bound manner. In both these cases, if you follow them consistently, you will see a change within 3 weeks. Do let me know in the comment box, did you see a change? Now, the second quality of a CLAT aspirant is going to be that he or she does not procrastinate. If he has to read the newspaper today, he will make sure that he reads the newspaper today and does not procrastinate to tomorrow, because then he will have to read today's newspaper as well as tomorrow's newspaper. So you make sure that you have a particular set of goals. For example, I will complete 2 sectional tests today, 1 mock today, for example, 3 questions of quants today, for example, some topics of current affairs today, and practice some questions through that. So you must have some to-do list in your phone or in your diary, and make sure that you are ticking it at the end of the day. With this, you will know how much preparation you have done, and secondly, your preparation will also improve. Now, if you want to make sure that you are completing your syllabus on time, you can also join the courses on 12 Minutes to CLAT. For example, we have Udan batch for CLAT aspirants, and you can use code KritiB if you wish to join the same. Now, the third quality of a CLAT aspirant is going to be that he is consistent in his preparation. मेरे मामा की शादी आ गई, मेरे चाचा के भतीजे का बर्थडे आ गया, और चाचा का भतीजा तो मैं खुद हूँ सॉरी. हाँ, तो एनीवे उसका बर्थडे आ गया, तो अब मैं अपने बर्थडे बनाने के लिए जा रहा हूँ. ऑब्वियसली आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि यू शुड just sit in a room and study all day, because studying all day makes Jack a dull boy. But all I am saying is that be consistent. Even if you have something to do in a particular day, make sure that you're taking out 1 hour, 35 minutes, 45 minutes, 2 hours to study for your CLAT preparation. Make sure that at least you are reading the newspaper for that day. If you are not able to read the newspaper, make sure you are watching the analysis. Or for example, if you are not able to do any of this, you are attending your classes that are there scheduled for the day, so that you will not feel that you missed out on something, and secondly, you will stay consistent. Because obviously, if we do not stay consistent with something, we tend to lose whatever focus we have developed throughout our preparation. So even if there is a wedding, there is a birthday party, there is anything to attend, make sure you take out some time of the day to give to your CLAT preparation. Now, the fourth quality, that is the most important quality, and which is going to help you the most throughout your preparation to get a good rank in the CLAT examination, is going to be analyzing your mocks and writing your mocks. Sometimes it happens that we think that we are not getting good marks in mocks, and therefore we should not be giving mocks. मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया है, मॉक्स दे के क्या ही हो जाएगा, 2 घंटे और एक्स्ट्रा लग जाएंगे, इससे अच्छा है कि मैं करंट अफेयर्स का एक टॉपिक कर लूँ या लीगल रीजनिंग का एक टॉपिक पढ़ लूँ. बट if you do not know how to apply those topics to your mocks, then how will you improve? Then how will you know that if you actually understood the concept or not? ठीक है, जैसे कि if you have studied some topics of critical reasoning, for example weakening and strengthening, obviously you do understand what is weakening and strengthening. Weakening means any sentence which is going against the premise of the passage. Strengthening means something that is adding value to the passage. Okay, great. But how do I know that I do know this concept? Always remember, it is always better to score low in mocks rather than scoring low in CLAT examination. Because your mock scores are only going to be seen by you, your parents, your teachers. But apart from that, your CLAT rank is going to be seen by the world. And you definitely want to clear this examination. I know it, you want to clear the examination, and therefore it is an emphasis. Even if you do not have all the other qualities, this is the most important one, that you write one mock each week. As exam comes closer, you can increase it to 2 to 3 mocks per week, and you do analyze your mocks. Like, you must know what mistakes are you making in the CLAT examination. Now, if you're searching for some mock tests, then mock tests are also available on 12 Minutes to CLAT website, and you can check out the same. Now, coming to the last quality of a CLAT topper. Now, the last quality of a CLAT topper is going to be his mindset. A lot of times it happens that students tell me, ma'am, I scored 60% in class 10th, 64% in class 12th. I don't think I can clear CLAT. I am feeling very demotivated. Nobody thinks that I can clear this exam, and therefore I don't think so I can clear the exam. The world could think a lot of things about everyone, and that doesn't matter. At the end of the day, what matters is what you think about yourself. Thomas Edison, all the people around him also thought that he will not do something great in his life, but he did such a great thing that people remember his legacy. So you should also have a mindset that no matter what, you are a CLAT topper. You can be the CLAT topper if you put in the right efforts. It's okay if you have scored less in class 10th or class 12th. I scored 84% in class 12th. According to some of my relatives, that is very less. But I still cleared the CLAT exam and went to one of the top institutions in the country. So it doesn't matter what everybody else thinks about you. All that matters is going to be what you think of yourself. So make sure that every day you are telling yourself, I will clear this exam. I will get a good rank. I will go to a great college. No matter how much mock score you get, no matter how much less you score in a sectional test, it's fine. Some days are bad, but we need to make sure that our CLAT day is good, and for that we have to go through some bad days. So these are the 5 qualities of a CLAT topper. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And any of you who wish to study for CLAT examination with us, you can go to 12minutesclat.com and find courses that suit you. And if you wish to have some discount, you can use code KritiB. And I will see you in the next class. Thank you so much. शुक्रिया. आपका दिन बहुत अच्छा रहे और आप खुश रहें. Bye.